Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Marian and today we will talk about hedging system and how you can ensure yourself against risk in trading. So pretty useful and interesting topics, to be honest. And we will start today from hedging system. So a hedging system or a hedge is a risk management strategy that is used to protect investors from potential losses. Hedging reduces investment risks by using financial instruments or strategies that offset losses in one part of investor's portfolio by increasing returns in another. So it's pretty interesting strategy and system to make your profit. And there are several ways to conduct hedging, and I will highlight them all. But before that, I want you to show you how we can have our crude profit with this combination of indicators and Bollinger Bands and stochastic oscillator. And also we will try. So I will try today to show you how you can use this kind of system on practice. Let's see. I will. We're having this downfall of the price. I will change my investment box to $10 and we will check the situation with put option. So guys, as you see, we're here with our first cool profit, and yes, it was enough for me to make my cool profit in 30 seconds. And if you can see in my time exploration, also with this development candlestick that is having time frame 2 minutes, I was just on time. And that's because I'm having cool profit. It's pretty risky, nevertheless I did it. So let's go to the next step. And the first way to conduct hedging will be hedging with their derivatives and their derivatives. And investors can use their financial derivatives such as options, futures, swaps and all that stuff, to protect against fluctuations in asset prices. For example, an investor may buy a downside option on a company's stock price to protect his or her long-term equity investment from potential losses. So also it's about non-financial hedging, and investor can use various strategies such as portfolio diversification, stop loss orders, limited positions, size, and other things to reduce risks and protect their investment. So let's see how it will work out here with this pretty cool downfall and rising of the trend. And let's see, I will change my investment box to $18 and check the situation with the put option. So yes guys, I'm here with my new profit, and you see both stochastic oscillator with Bollinger Bands showed me a pretty cool signer to go down for the next 30 seconds looking at this intersection in the overbought area. So we're seeing that lines are going pretty rapidly down, and after some few minutes I think that there will be in the corridor, but still you can see that the trend is going up. That's because I'm predicting that it will be another wave. So let's give the situation some time and go to the next currency pair, of course. If I tell you that now I'm giving you your first rewards from trading, it's $1,000, will you follow my steps? I believe that you will do. So now, please keep your attention, because the source I'm sharing with you is actually a key for your reward. I'm sharing with you the real-time trading signals on my Telegram channel, so all of you can gain this $1,000 just in a few hours of trading and a few clicks. Trades which I'm sharing give up to 9% of profit, so with even $100 you can gain your $1,000 easily. Remember, who doesn't try never gets. So don't waste this opportunity. Follow my Telegram channel, Link you will find in the description, and see you there. So the last point, but not the least, about hedging will be the currency hedging. Investors involved in international trade or investment can use currency contracts or options to protect against currency fluctuations. As you can see, hedging is an important tool to reduce risks and ensure the stability of the investment portfolio. However, it is important to remember that hedging also has its costs and may not always bring the expected protection. So it is important to carefully study and analyze the market conditions in order to select and apply the right hedging strategies. And if you want to know more, of course, you can go to my Telegram channel, where we'll share this information with my own free signals. So I really want to meet you there. So nevertheless, we are here with a pretty cool downfall on the price. And if you can see at our current situation, let's see how it will work out. I will check the situation with my all-in again and put option, of course. So guys, you see we're going with just the trend, and that's because I'm having all $60 in my pocket looking at the stochastic oscillator, and the lines having their intersection in oversold area. So looking at the graphic, and yes, we are seeing that it's bearish movement right now. Also, it's pretty volatile, and that's because it was a little bit risky right over here, and nevertheless I catched my right moment with put option, and I'm really happy with it. Let's go to the next currency, and we'll talk about several ways to ensure yourself against risk in trading. The first one will develop and use the risk management strategy and determine your investment objectives, of course, investment time horizons, the level of risk you are willing to accept, and develop risk management strategy accordingly. So try to not take an unnecessary risk, monitor your portfolio and adjust your strategy if necessary. It's very important. So we're looking at this pretty cool downfall of the price after this peak, and nevertheless I want to say that you need to be really attentive, because both were working really hard right now. So let's see how it will work out with our $62 with call option. So guys, you see that we are here with another cool profit. It's $100 in my pocket already, and you see that we are dealing with these short candlesticks with pretty long wicks. I was just working with this one, and that's because I'm here with the cool profit always. So also you can see the stochastic oscillator is showing us that the trend is going to change its move, and that's because it was really cool decision for me to go with the option on this situation, and it's really cool. So let's go to the next currency pair with 93% of payout, and I'm really excited. And let's talk about portfolio diversification. So invest in a variety of assets and asset classes to reduce the risk associated with specific companies and sectors. So a variety of investment can help spread risk and protect your form. If you want to know more about the portfolio diversification, you can go to my Telegram channel, of course, and watch my previous videos. Let's see again. So don't follow the price after great rising. And let's see how it will work with our newest investment. So $120, and we will check the situation with red. So guys, it's $200 in my pocket already, and as you see, we are going with the trend firstly, and secondly, stochastic oscillator was showing me that the lines, yes, in oversold area, and they are chilling. Still, you see that right now the situation is changed. Balls are working really hard right now. Nevertheless, I catched my right moment with these settings. I'm happy about it. Let's see what I will have in the next, in the last currency pair. So New Zealand dollar and the Canadian dollar, and I will talk about the importance of using these stop loss orders. Set a stop loss level at which your position will automatically close to limit potential losses. So it will allow you to control risk and reduce the emotional impact on your decision making. And also it is about position size. So do not risk a large portion of your capital in a single trade. Determine the optimal position size based on your capital risk and potential return. I'm always using this kind of strategy to reduce my loss, and especially when I'm not really sure whether the trend will go on and the signal from trading tools are not clear. And nevertheless, right over here, I'm pretty sure what I need to do. So that's because I will go with $230 and I will check the situation with a put option. So you see that we're working with this not really a rapid rising of the price, but still. You see I just went with my signals from combination indicators and made it with a call option. You see that in the last 5 candlesticks the trend is laying on the upper line of the corridor. Bollinger Bands and stochastic oscillator just crashed the level of 30, and we're here with this cool rising of the price. And I'm really happy. That's because I think it is time to go to the next currency pair and repeat our success. So use protective instruments. Some brokers offer protective mechanisms such as options for futures that can help you hedge against risks in the financial markets. So, and also, guys, it is also really important to learn and analyze constantly. So learn new things, study financial markets, analyze data, follow new news and trends. Like the more information you have, the less likely you are to make mistakes and losses. So, and if you want to be on time and know everything, you can go to my Telegram channel and I will share this information, news, other stuff with my own free channel. So don't forget to subscribe. So, and let's see, we are working with this volatile, straightforward situation in the first currency pair. And nevertheless, I think I need to catch my right moment, $445 in my investment box, and I will check the situation with call option. Hey, guys! Did you see that? We're here with $800, and yeah, the situation is really risky. I really don't recommend this kind of situations for anyone because this profit was a little bit overlocked, to be honest. So also you see that, so this candlestick is really short and I think it will be fine. So I have some thoughts about it before our transaction, trade, yeah. So that's because I'm having my cool profit also. So you see, it is time to go to the next currency pair. Yes, right now. So, and we are here with this kind of not really similar situation. Nevertheless, I think it is going straightforward, looking at the Bollinger Bands corridor also because it is narrowing. And what I can say, I am not really sure that, because let's see what I will have in the next currency pair. And right over here it is more clear situation, and I see entry, good entry point. And nevertheless, I want to see the whole graphic in the last few hours, and maybe it will give me some signs. Okay, let's go. So $820, and we will check the situation with the put option. And the sale of 1,500 in my pocket already. So You see, I was just in time with my 30 seconds time expiration and looking at the stochastic oscillator, and you see that the lines are starting to narrow. Maybe it will be in the intersection and looking at Bollinger Bands, and you see right now bears working really hard. That's because the upper line of the corridor is going rapidly down, really cool, and we catch the right moment. And let's see what will happen in the next currency pair, of course. So let's see. The situation is not really changed after our last visit. It's still going down in not really rapid way. Still we can have our cool profit right over here. That's because let's check our investment box with $1,500 and we will go with put option. So guys, you see that we are working with this downfall of the price. It is not that simple situation as it looks like, and that's because I was working with this little wave, and still the situation, the whole trend is going down. So looking at stochastic oscillator, it is pretty obvious, and the Bollinger Band's also really cool. Really clear signs. So let's see how it will work out in the next currency pair. And yes guys, you see that we are working again with the downfall, and let's see, I don't want to waste our time. So that's because $2,500 will be in my investment box, and let's check the situation with put option. $5,000 in my pocket, and guys, you know what? I think it's enough for me for today's session. Protection from risk in trading requires discipline, knowledge, and constant monitoring. Remember that risk is always associated with possible profits. So it is important to find a balance between risks and returns. So I think So I hope that you find this topic today pretty interesting and informative for you. And if you do, please leave the comment down below this video. And if you want to know about it more, of course, you can go to my Telegram channel, like where I share these kind of signals and like very useful information, like yes, with my own free signals. And don't forget to subscribe to it, and subscribe of course to my YouTube channels, please guys. So give this video a thumbs up, so it will really help my channel so a lot. And we will meet in another video. Bye.